Welcome to This Week in Orthodoxy, the world's only online video newscast focused on events in the life of the Orthodox Church. I'm Emmy Louveris. Today we look at Orthodox people and organizations who are making a difference in the world, even amongst deadly disease, poverty, and war. First up, from Sierra Leone, Father Themi Adams is a former Australian rock star turned Orthodox priest fighting against the deadly Ebola virus that has made its presence felt near the Holy Orthodox mission in the capital city of Freetown. Performing alongside such famous bands as the Rolling Stones and the Beatles, Father Themi was once a member and bass guitarist of the Australian rock group The Flies. During that period of his life, he was an atheist, but after a dramatic conversion, became a Greek Orthodox priest and a missionary to West Africa. He founded an orphanage, school, and medical facility in the greater Freetown area, serving over 2,000 children, youth, and adults. Sweeping his adopted country of Sierra Leone and causing panic, death, and destruction, he now faces the greatest challenge of his life, the Ebola virus. Sierra Leone has declared a public health emergency, with Ebola being blamed for 729 deaths in 4 West African countries this year alone. With no signs of slowing down, it has spread to the very doorsteps of Father Themi's compound. In an interview earlier this week, Father Themi said, "This country has very much been reduced to trauma. Sierra Leone is a resilient nation that has suffered consistently from about 1991. I cannot imagine another country that has suffered so much over such a long time, either through wars, poverty, and now through this Ebola crisis." Father Themi has instituted an aggressive public health education campaign, especially amongst the city's poor, who rely on his clinic for health services. To find out how you can help, visit Father Themi's website at paradiseforkids.org. And next up, OCMC is looking for 10 volunteers to travel to Albania, Tanzania, and Uganda on short-term missions beginning next month. The Orthodox Christian Mission Center needs volunteers to make 3 teams possible, each with a unique mission. Orthodox women are strongly urged to apply for the team to Albania, serving from September 17th to the 29th, as it aims to empower and facilitate the spiritual growth of women in the church. Volunteers will lead spiritual retreats for clergy wives, women lay leaders, and women's groups. In Tanzania, a team of Orthodox Christians is needed to provide theological training to clergy in the metropolis of Mwanza from October 27th to November 8th. Priests, seminarians, theologians, and those knowledgeable of the faith are asked to apply. What this team offers will be taken by the Tanzanian priests to thousands of newly illuminated Orthodox Christians. And the team bound for Uganda, also departing on October 27th, will continue the work begun last year with the blessings of His Eminence Jonah, aimed at helping the church in Uganda to be more self-reliant. This year's team will teach Christian stewardship workshops in various communities across the country. If you're interested in traveling and sharing in the joy of our faith, consider joining one of the OCMC mission teams. Departing dates are coming up quick, so contact the Mission Center's team department by email at teams@ocmc.org. For more information, call 1-877-463-6784. And from the Gaza, International Orthodox Christian Charities is appealing for support to provide aid to families in urgent need of basic food and humanitarian supplies in the Gaza Strip. Already more than 240,000 people have been displaced inside Gaza, seeking shelter at schools, churches, mosques, and other facilities. As we reported last week, more than 1,000 displaced Palestinian people, mostly women and children, found safe haven in the St. Porphyrius Greek Orthodox Christian Church in Gaza City, occupying every available space in the church courtyard and community center building. IOCC staff are on the ground in Gaza, responding to the urgent needs of these displaced families and thousands of other victims of the conflict with the distribution of emergency relief items. Basic necessities such as food, water, bedding, blankets, hygiene items, and infant supplies are being provided to people seeking refuge at the church and a nearby mosque, as well as those in other northern Gaza communities. IOCC has had a humanitarian presence in Jerusalem, the West Bank, and Gaza since 1997, assisting more than 30,000 families with emergency food and household items, as well as working with communities to improve their access to food, employment opportunities, and agricultural production. As such, it has created reliable water sources and gardens, a way the IOCC has ensured families have enough to eat and help the local economy by supporting locally produced fresh food. Dispensing immediate relief through the provision of emergency assistance as well as longer-term support, you too can help the efforts of IOCC by making a financial gift to the IOCC Gaza Relief Fund. For more information on how you can make a difference, call toll-free at 1-877-803-IOCC. That's 1-877-803-4622 or visit IOCC.org. And in news from OCN, shop on Amazon.com and support our OCN ministry. Supporting OCN has never been easier. As you do your normal shopping through our affiliate program, Amazon will donate a portion of its profits to us with no cost to you. To get started, visit our website at myocn.net and click on the Buy button. You'll find easy instructions and links to get you started. And that's it for another edition of This Week in Orthodoxy, a program made possible by a generous gift from the National Philoptochos Society in memory of former OCN Chairman of the Board, Dr. George Mekris. For everyone here at the OCN studios, I'm Emmy Louveris, wishing you a blessed week. Let's go forth in peace.